Creating a pie on M1 Finance involves building a customized investment portfolio tailored to your financial goals. Here's how to do it. Log in. Open the M1 Finance app or website and log into your account. Go to the Portfolio section. Navigate to the Portfolio tab on the dashboard. Create a new pie. Select Create a Pie to start a new investment pie. You'll be prompted to name your pie and set its goals or focus. Add investments. Search for stocks, ETFs, or funds that you want to include in your pie. Use the search bar to find specific investments or browse categories. Click Add next to each investment you want to include. Allocate percentages. Assign a percentage of your total investment to each asset in the pie. For example, you might allocate 30% to stock A, 20% to ETF B, and 50% to stock C. This determines how your funds will be distributed. Review and confirm. Check the overall allocation to ensure it meets your investment strategy. Adjust percentages if needed. Save your pie. Once satisfied, save your pie. You can now fund it with deposits, and M1 Finance will automatically invest according to your allocation.